We have a picture. Captain at the back is Romeo.
Romeo? Juliet.
So have you been already underground river? Not yet. So the mountain in the front is already the part of underground river.
Wow.
Yeah. Yan po kayo papasok po maya sa lalim ng bundok na yan. Yeah. If you're inside the underground river, NGO, non-government organization. Yung Sabang Barangay Kabayugan. And then the mouth of this river going out to the sea, we call it Puyoy-Puyoy. Puyoy-Puyoy because it looks like a pocket or pouch. So Puyoy-Puyoy is a native term of pocket. And then the water here is a semi-underground river brackish water. It is a combination of salt water and fresh water. So for those who want to see snakes, like that.
There, oh.
Wow! There's a poison serve right there.
Ayan, no?
Ay, ayun. Wow. Saan? Hindi ko makita. I-zoom. Ayun. Ayun. Ayun, gumagalaw siya.
To scope is alive.
Sobrang lapit. Tingnan ko nga.
So aside for fish, we have also here crabs, mud clams, and oyster. Yes.
What's oyster?
Talaba. That boardwalk, it's a 100 meters long, serve as a bird watching area. But mostly you can see birds here during early in the morning, like 6 o'clock in the morning. So we're approaching now in the area when we call it a century-old mangrove. Century-old, matatandang bakawan. It's a 100 estimate only because if you want to know the insect of that tree, you need to cut the trunk and then you count the ring inside. Doon po malaman sa growth ranks. Mangrove tree, it's a very easy to plant, very slow to grow. It's slow growing tree, so it's belong to the hardwood tree. Hardwood. So that's also used for building materials, furniture. And it's a first class charcoal before.
Pinuputol niyo din yan.
Dito ma'am, no ma'am. It's not allowed. So this falling trees ma'am is damaged by the typhoon. Typhoon Odette. 2 years ago. So here, even the dead tree is not allowed to remove in this. So aside for fish, we have also here crabs. Aside for the tiny crabs, the color crabs, we have also big crabs here. Yung alimango. Like 1 piece of crabs is half kilo, almost 1 kilo.
Mud crab.
Yes. That is alimango. So the mud crabs, the tribe people only allowed to catch the crabs. For consumption only, not for commercial purpose.
So allowed kayo basta for consumption lang?
Yes ma'am, but they are... So the big one is under the water, so in the rock big as a pond. Yes ma'am, that's why we call it this tree mangrove because of the root formation. The root formation is look like a walking man. So man is people, grove is forest, and Malay word. That's why we call it mangrove. Or bakawan.
That look like a spider.
Sitio Sabang, Barangay Kabayugan.
Sabang mangrove, no?
Oh.
Abang-abangan nyo sa vlog, te. May Sabang mangrove na.
Ano pong account nyo, sir?
Ano? GM.
GM. Search ko nga. Mayroon din po kami ano ma, sir, FB page po, Sabang Mangrove Paddle Boat Tour Guide Association. So when it's full high tide po, the water at 1 meter high, so the water is spread out up to
pag high tide.
Opo. Yan po, malilit na oyster yun sa mga batukan.